Looking for a game-changing webcam to elevate your online meeting, streaming, or content creation? Today we are diving into the Logitech Webcam, a complete yet powerful piece of tech that could be the next upgrade we've been waiting for. Let's start with what's inside the box. Logitech keeps it simple yet stylish. Inside you will find the webcam itself, a USB cable for easy plug and play setup, and a handy quick start guide. This Logitech webcam packs in some amazing features. We are tapping full HD 1080p resolution for clear clips, video, even in low light. Plus, its autofocus keeps you looking sharp, while its wide triangle lens means you will capture every important detail. But how does it really perform? Let's put it to the test. We have lined up the Logitech webcam against test number laptop webcam. Check out the difference in image clarity and color. Logitech really shine. No need to worry about poor quality. This webcam includes built-in stereo mics that delivers clear natural sound, ideal for video calls, streaming, and one of the best parts. It's an simple as plug and play, compatible with most video conference software. The Logitech webcam is ready to go whether you are on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Whether you are looking to improve your work from home setup, start streaming or create quality content, the Logitech webcam offers the clarity, audio quality, and simplicity you need. So why wait? Elevate your video game today. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your thought, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.